Don't sneeze while watching this video. Not going to lie, this challenge is kind of easy. All you have to do is not sneeze while watching this video, but these rules should make it harder. Here are the rules. Skipping the video, speeding up the video, leaving the video, equals automatic fail. Are you going to sneeze yet?
Be the bank's taking. I'm sorry.
You might sneeze on this one.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, why am I so bad at this? You probably didn't sneeze yet, but I have even harder challenge. Try to keep a straight face without moving until this is finished. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Leave a like if you won this challenge. Don't lie. And one more thing. Try to like and subscribe with all notifications, without using your hands. This is really hard, and only 32% of people can do it.